Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. If you are new to this channel, and if you are, please consider to subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much. I want to show you what we got here. We got this soundbar. This is LG S60Q soundbar. This is 2.1 channel soundbar with wireless subwoofer, Dolby Atmos, and its 300 audio power output. It's with AI Sound Pro Immersive technology. You can hook it up to your TV via Bluetooth, optical cable, and HDMI with built-in active amplifier. So this S60Q supports immersive sound, surround sound technology, Dolby Atmos, visually recreating a cinematic experience at home. An array of 2.1 channel including wireless subwoofer, high power output, 300 watts ensure that the audio is highly immersive. The S60Q has been designed to perfectly pair your LG TV, complementing your home, enhancing your audio visual experience. A sophisticated fabric wrap covers 3 sides and will look stylish in any living space. Plus, with 2020 LG TV Share, the TV sound engine for ultimate pairing. 3D sound technology projects sound over and around you, making for an immersive experience. What we want to do is unbox this stuff, check it out, see what is inside, and I hope this will help you to make a fun choice about this soundbar. This is the information pack and battery, double A battery. Remote control and power cable is inside. Wall mount. This is subwoofer here. Beautiful. Here we go. Nice. This is with fabric. See what it looks like. Best match LG TV, LG soundbar S60Q new. 2.1 channel with Dolby Atmos, compatible with Dolby Vision, ARC, 4K pass-through, HDMI. The ports have HDMI in, HDMI TV, ARC, optical cable, and 5V 500 mAh USB port. This is the wireless subwoofer here. and the power cable is attached to the subwoofer. Nice, beautiful. The power cable, remote control. HDMI cable is included in the packaging. So what we have here, this is the subwoofer and this is the soundbar. See what it looks like, and power cable, HDMI cable, wall mount, and remote control, battery, and information pack. You also got 2 screws to mount this. I'm just gonna measure this. So from this end, 76 centimeter length. The width is 9 centimeter. 9 centimeter width, 76 length. Subwoofer is 17.5 centimeter from the front to the back, 25 centimeter. Now from the bottom to the top is 40 centimeter or 39.9 centimeter. So this is what we have here. What we want to do is to show you how to set this up. The subwoofer, the cable is attached to it, so you just need to plug in the power cable to the power. And now take the cable for this soundbar, go at the back and push it inside to AC in. Now plug in the soundbar to the socket. From this also, this soundbar, if you look here, you will see optical, BT, and HDMI when you are selecting the input. You can also switch this soundbar on from here. This button here is for you to select the input. Minus is for you to decrease the volume. Plus is for you to increase the volume. And this button here is for Bluetooth. So you can select the function from the top if you haven't got the remote control. The remote control is included, so we're just gonna put the remote. So this is the battery. Double A battery is what the remote control is using. So push down, then take the positive to the positive end and negative to the negative end. Now push the remote back up. Now use the remote, switch this on, and the light is showing here. So once you switch it on, you will see a light, okay, showing, and it's currently in optical. So we need to select Bluetooth. Use the input to select Bluetooth. So
Bluetooth connection ready.
Bluetooth connection ready. Now we're going to connect this using mobile device. Go to your phone settings. Go to your phone setting. Go to connections. Switch the Bluetooth on. and Bluetooth is on. Select on the Bluetooth and it will start to look for available Bluetooth device. This is LG S60Q. LG S60Q is available. Select on it and it's pairing. Bluetooth pairing request. Pair with LG S60Q. Select pair and it's connected. It's connected for audio. Now we're going to test the audio using Epidemic Sound. Epidemic Sound is music for content creator. Beautiful. And you can see a steady light.
Cinema. Cinema. Game.
you press this button here for you to change to game. This is game. And this cinema. This is AI Sound Pro. This is music. So this AI Sound Pro, music, game, cinema. Music. Then this button here is for you to increase the volume. This one decrease the volume. This button here is mute. And this is the input. The center one is pause and play. And you switch this off from here. Thank you very much.